Hi, I'm Ian.
And I'm Marilyn, and we're both nuclear engineering students here at Texas A&M University, and we're going to be discussing the ABWR. So the ABWR, which stands for Advanced Boiling Water Reactor, is an advanced version of the two most common types of nuclear power plants, BWR and PWR, which stand for Boiling Water Reactor and Pressurized Water Reactor. The ABWR was designed 20 years after commercial power plants had already been operating in the United States.
So the ABWR process begins when water flows through this blue pipe here and enters the containment building. From here, it is pumped from the bottom up through the reactor core. In the middle of the core here, we have these uranium fuel assemblies, and we also have control rods. And when the control rods are removed, the nuclear chain reaction begins in the uranium fuel, and this produces heat. As the water passes in between the fuel assemblies, it also heats up and is boiled and turned into steam. So now we have a mixture of steam and liquid water in the core, and we want to separate the two. So the steam separator and the steam dryer do that, and the liquid water stays in the core, and the steam leaves the core and leaves the containment building through this red line. And from there, the steam goes to turbines, and when the turbine blades spin, they're connected to a generator that produces clean electricity and powers homes.
Once the fuel assembly has finished inside of the core, it's placed inside of the spent fuel pool. Inside of this pool, it's allowed to reach a lower temperature and is protected from radiation until it has reached a low enough temperature that it's removed outside and placed into dry cask storage.